Okay, I'm here with Josh Levy. I'm here with Josh Levy and we're making our way. I'm here with Josh. We're on an adventure. We've got to make it back. You've got to make it back. Don't run too fast. We got about 40 minutes till it gets dark. We have got just ourselves and nature, and it's pretty cool. Josh, what do you think of this adventure?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Is this the best adventure you've ever been on?
Yeah, more than the tram.
More than what?
The tram.
More than the tram even?
Yes.
And how much did this adventure cost you?
$0.
$0. Why is that?
Because Hashem made it.
Hashem made it, that's right.
And he doesn't have to pay money.
Cool. We're in an adventure.